Morning.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Last day we discussed which theorem?
Factor theorem.
Factor theorem. Okay, Nandana, read the theorem, Nandana.
Yes. If P of X is polynomial of degree n bigger than 1 and
Greater than or equal to, isn't it?
and A is any real number, then X minus A is a factor of P of X if P of A equals to 0. Second one, P of A equals to 0 if X minus A is a factor of P of X.
Okay. So I will explain. Suppose our polynomial P of X. P of X is divided by X minus A linear polynomial X minus A. Then we are getting quotient Q of X and remainder R of X. Okay, suppose this is quotient Q of X and remainder R of X, and by remainder theorem we have studied if P of X is divided by X minus A, what is the remainder using remainder theorem? Lakshmi.
P of A.
P of A, good. P of A is the remainder. So this R of X will be P of A. Remainder will be P of A because we have already studied using remainder theorem. If P of X is divided by X minus A, the remainder will be P of A. So this remainder polynomial will be P of A. So Q of X is the quotient and remainder is P of A. So we can write P of X equal to X minus A into what? Adikesh, X minus A into Q of X. Yes, X minus A into Q of X plus remainder is P of A. Okay, good. So P of X equal to X minus A into Q of X plus P of A. Okay. Now we are discussing about this P of A, that is remainder. If P of A equal to 0, we can say X minus A is factor. Good. X minus A is factor of our P of X. X minus A is a factor of P of X. Also, if X minus A is a factor, and conversely, if X minus A is a factor, then conversely, if X minus A is a factor, then what can we say?
P of A equal to 0.
P of A equal to 0. Okay, converse. If P of A equal to 0, X minus A is a factor. If X minus A is a factor, P of A equal to 0. Is it clear, all of you? About this is factor theorem. Okay, factor theorem says, now once again read the factor theorem. Sridev, read. All of you switch on your video. Suryadev, Nivedya. Okay, read.
X minus A is a factor of P of X if P of A equal to 0. P of A equal to 0 if X minus A is a factor of
P of X. Is it clear, all of you? Nivedya, Amaljit, Ken, is it clear? What is factor theorem? Ken, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone wants, I will explain. Who's this? Jarius? Jarius, this is new student. Hello. Where is he? Jarius, are you a new student in 9A?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so shall we move to problems? Reminder, no, factor theorem is clear, no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write first question.
Ma'am,
Ah,
last class you gave a homework, right?
What?
Homework.
Homework. Any doubt?
And in the last question,
What was the question?
that one.
Can you send that question to my WhatsApp so that I can clear during next period?
Okay.
Okay. It's better if you send before the class because I can come prepared because those
Second
questions.
Before the second class.
Before the second class, I will clear. You send the question to me. It is better if you give the always give the questions before the class so that because those questions are not from our textbook, some other guides and all I'm taking. Okay, maybe so I have to check which was the question and about its answer also. So it's better you give before the class. So after this class, you just send that to my phone. Okay. Yes.
Can you show the factor theorem?
Factor theorem, last day we have written factor theorem. You didn't write factor theorem? Theorem you didn't write last day, not today. You didn't write?
Not full.
Not full. Okay. Okay, Jairus and if anyone did not write the factor theorem, you can write it now. I will write it now. Okay, factor theorem. Write fast. Jairus, you can also write. Factor theorem. If P of X is a polynomial, if P of X is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and A is any real number, A is any real number, then X minus A is a factor. X minus A is a factor of P of X. X minus A is a factor of P of X. If P of A equal to 0. Second one, P of A equal to 0. P of A equal to 0. P of A equal to 0 if X minus A is a factor of P of X. This is factor theorem. Okay. Now we will move to first question. Right, first question. Examine whether x plus 2, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. So here, if x plus 2 is a factor, if x minus a is a factor, the first condition, if x minus a is a factor of P of x minus a is a factor when if P of a becomes 0. X minus a is a factor if P of a equal to 0. So here x plus 2 is a factor if x plus 2 is a factor if, what can we say? It's a factor if, when we can say, if x minus a is a factor if P of a equal to 0, or if P of a equal to 0, x minus a is a factor. So apply the factor theorem. X plus 2 is a factor if Hmm?
P of A equal to 0.
A is there in our problem? Is there? A, so
P of negative.
wait. Amin will say. Amin, x plus 2 is a factor if. You did you complete homework questions last days?
No.
That's why. That's why you are not getting. I ask you to do the homeworks. If you are not doing those homeworks, you won't. You can't understand the next day's portions. Lynette, did you complete homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
do it and send to your group leader. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today, sir. Who's your group leader?
Biram.
Okay. Abhiram, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Lynette, say
Ma'am, P of negative 2.
P of negative 2 if P of negative 2 equal to 0. We have to check whether P of negative 2 is 0 or not. Okay, so all of you find P of negative 2. P of negative 2. Is it a factor, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 2 the whole cube plus 3 into negative 2 the whole square plus 5 into negative 2 plus 6 equal to P of negative 2 equal to
0.
0.
0.
0. Okay, so we can say x plus 2 is a factor of P of x. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 2 is a factor of P of x. Okay, next question, second one. Check whether
Ma'am, can
you
scroll up?
check whether x plus 1 is a factor of, check whether x plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of, first question, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Check whether this x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square plus. First one over, can I move the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Second question, you can check the same x plus 1 is a factor of x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Check whether the same x plus 1. We are checking with the same linear polynomial x plus 1 is a factor of these polynomials. First one x cube plus x square plus 1. So for checking, we need to find what, Vaishnavi? Here we need to find, this is our P of x. So we need to find what, Vaishnavi?
P of negative
P of negative 1. P of negative. How we are getting this negative 1? By equating x plus 1 equal. If you have any doubt, you just equate the divisor into 0. That is x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1. Find P of minus 1. If any doubt, you can check whether it is plus 1 or minus 1 by equating that divisor to 0.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
is the answer 0?
Is it 0?
Yes,
One.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can write by factor theorem. It is a factor, that is minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. P of negative 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a fact. This way you have to write the answer. It's a factor of P of x. Next, our P of x is x raised to 4. P of x is x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x. P of x.
ma'am, the answer is 1.
So, what can we say?
X plus 1 is not a factor of
Mm.
P of x.
Okay. Question number 3. Same x plus 1 with the same x plus 1. Don't say the answer, Lynette. Okay, you wait. Let others also have to complete. Okay. You do the problems. 3x square plus x plus 1. Fourth one, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root. With the same x plus 1, you check whether these polynomials are have a factor x plus 1. Do. Attendance, please. Adikesh,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram, Edleo.
Mama Bidam present.
Okay, I saw you. Edleo,
Present, ma'am.
Advait,
Present, ma'am.
Advait Sinoop, Alsan, Albert,
Present, ma'am.
Alan,
Present, ma'am, present.
Alvin,
Ma'am, present.
who?
Present. Alvin.
Alvin present. Amaljit, Amin, Anandita, Anashwara, Anjana, Benedict, Fadil, Hira,
Ma'am.
Henin,
Ma'am, Benedict is present.
Okay, Benedict, Henin, Ritvik, Irene,
Present, ma'am.
Isha, Ken, Lakshmi Nandakumar, Lynette, Nadeem present.
Present.
Nadeem,
Yes, ma'am.
Nandana Sharat, Navneet, Nikhila,
Present, ma'am.
Nivedya, Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Sridev,
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev, Tamanna,
Present, ma'am.
present. Tom, Vaishnavi. And I need to add Jairus.
Can you show?
One second. Jairus, Jai.
Ma'am Isha is present.
Aisha, I saw you, Isha. So second, what is P of minus 1 there for the second one?
1.
1. So that also not a factor.
Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor.
Not a factor, okay. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 cube P of minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. This is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So this is 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of P of x. Factor of P of x. Now third one. Find here also find
1.
that also 1. That also not a factor. Okay. Okay, Advait, I saw. Advait, when your mic will be correct, Advait Sinu, we need to conduct your seminar. This is minus 1 raised to 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. So this is 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 here also x plus 1 is not a factor of P of x. Nikhila, what about fourth one? Is that x plus 1 is a factor of this P of x? Nikhila?
Ma'am, will you show the slide again?
Advait Murali, what about the fourth one? Is this x plus 1 is a factor?
Not finished.
Okay, do. Minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Tom, is this, what's the value of p of minus 1, Tom?
Ma'am, doing.
2.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Doing, okay.
Ma'am, can you let me in from another device?
Yes, okay.
minus 5.
Is it minus 5?
Minus 2.
Huh?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Let me check. Minus 1 plus 1. If we multiply this negative, negative become positive. 2 plus root 2 minus this into minus 1. No. So both become positive. 2 root 2 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root minus minus get cancelled. So it is
Ma'am,
mm,
ma'am, it was minus x square, right?
minus
Ma'am, will you let me in from our meeting?
minus x square. Okay, minus x square. Yes. Yes, yes. So it is minus 1 minus minus 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay. Now this is equal to I will explain once. If anyone have doubt, listen to the board. P of minus 1. That is minus 1 whole cube minus minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2x. X is again minus 1 plus root 2. Okay. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus minus 1 square is 1. Minus 1 and this minus become plus. 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. This is equal to what? Equal to Nivedya. Nivedya. It's equal to equal to what is this equal to? Ritvik. Ritvik, this is equal to? Huh? Huh? Equal to? And Ashwara, this is equal to? Isha.
Ma'am, ma'am, we can open the brackets by distributing negative 1 to 2
Okay.
plus
Okay, then also we will get the same. If you no need of that distributing because negative 1 minus 2 plus root 2 into negative 1. No. So this negative and this negative become plus. So it is 2 plus root 2. No need of, if you distribute, no problem. You will get the same then. Then what is its value? This is equal to what? P of minus 1 equal to
0.
how 0?
Ma'am, this minus 1 and minus 1 will add to negative 2.
Okay.
Then plus 2. So that will cancel.
Cancel.
Then minus root 2 is there.
How minus root 2 comes?
Ma'am, when we are distributing
How?
negative
How?
1 to root 2.
No. See, minus 1 into 2 plus root 2. Suppose you are distributing. So minus 2 minus root 2. Again, one minus is outside there in outside.
Yes, ma'am.
So it become plus. Both the terms become plus.
Ma'am, is it minus 2 root 2?
No. It's not minus 2 root 2.
Ma'am, will you let me in? I came from another device. This is
No, our time is up, our son. Time is up. You can join the next class. Now you are going to wind up, no, son. Our time is up. Okay, son. Wait. My question is, what is the value? How it's 2
Ma'am, root 2.
Only root 2?
And-
Only root 2? No, it's wrong.
2. Answer is 2.
No.
Ma'am, it's 2 root.
2 root 2. Yes, root 2 plus root 2. Isha, it's not 2. It's 2 root 2. Into is 2. Isha, root 2 into 2 is 2. It is 2 root 2. Anyway, it is not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay. So write x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Is it clear, all of you, how we got 2 root 2?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
X plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay. So children, I'm minding. Yes.
Factor, right?
Huh?
Not a factor, right?
Not a factor. I write what?
No, it's a
Sorry. So it's not a factor. Sorry. It's not a factor. Okay. Okay, children. Bye. We will meet later.
Thank you, ma'am.